When you travel, you bring a suitcase. Unless you want something lighter, then you bring a backpack, a rucksack. You'll want to bring a carry-on bag to carry on the plane. Women often carry a purse with them around the city, and some men carry a merce, man purse. It's not a real word, but we say it. Although some men prefer to carry a messenger bag, which is a little bigger. Businessmen and women take a briefcase to work. This is a special rectangular bag for important work documents. And you can bring a laptop case to bring your computer. Your money goes in your wallet, and if you have coins, you put them in a change purse. And if you go to the supermarket, don't forget to bring your own reusable bag so you don't have to waste any plastic bags. For more English lessons, come to viewlingo.com.